Okay, so good day everyone. For today, we're going to have a discussion of an introduction of analytics, tools, and techniques. That this will be a foundation actually of data science processes. No? And these tools and techniques are used to collect, clean, transform, analyze, and visualize data. So in this discussion, uh, the presenters can able to discuss the most common use of analytics, tools and techniques, specifically when it comes to programming languages. No, we do believe that programming languages such as Python and R programming are the most commonly used languages in data science or analytics. And they have a wide range of libraries and tools for data manipulations, analysis, and visualization. When it comes to data cleaning, no, data cleaning again, as what we discussed last time, this is the process of identifying and correcting inaccurate, incomplete, or irrelevant data. Tools such as OpenRefine and Trifecta are used for cleaning data or data cleaning. Another topic that we're going to cover, of course, is the statistical analysis. In this process of analyzing data using statistical techniques, tools such as SAS, SPSS, and Stata are used for statistical analysis. This data science also covered a machine learning wherein this process of training algorithms to make predictions of decision based on data. Tools such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch are used for machine learning. Another is the data warehousing because data warehousing, again, is a process of storing and managing large amounts of data. Tools such as Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark are used for data warehousing. No? So, another thing is the cloud computing because it provides access to computing resources over the internet. The available cloud computing tools such as Amazon Web Services or yung AWS, Google Cloud Platform or GCP, and the Microsoft Azure are used for cloud computing. So our presenters today going to discuss some tools and techniques used in data science or analytics. It is important to note that different projects requires different tools and techniques depending on the nature of the data and the analysis required. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our first presenter. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mary Nicolanian. I'm gonna discuss the introduction of analysis. Here's our reporter, Mary Nicolanian, Adrian Marie Atrap, Catalina Abogado. Definition of analytics. Analytics is a field of computer science that uses mathematics and machine learning to find meaningful patterns in data. Also, analytics is a systematic computational analysis of a data or statistic. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful pattern in data. It also entails applying data pattern toward effective decision making. It can be valuable in area rich with recorded information. Analytics relies on the stimulation application of statistic, computer programming, and operation research to qualify performance. The benefits of business analytics. Business analytics bring actionable insight for businesses. However, here are the main benefits of business analytics. First, improve operational efficiency through their daily activities. Second, assist businesses to understand their customer more precisely. Third, business use data visualization to offer projection for future outcomes. Fourth, this insight helps decision making and planning for the future. Fifth, business analytics measure performance and drives growth. Six, discover hidden trends, generate leads, and scale business in the right decision. May I call on the second reporter, Ms. Adrian Marie Agtrap.
Overview of data analytics process and its steps. Data analysis process consists of the following phases that are iterative in nature: data requirements specification, data collection, data processing, data cleaning, data analysis, and communication. Types of analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Data analytics types: descriptive analytics describe the happenings over time, such as whether the number of views increase or decrease and whether the current month's sale are better than the last one. Diagnostic analytics focuses on the reason of the occurrence of only event. It requires hypothesizing and involves a much diverse data set. It examines data to answer questions such as, did the weather impact the selling of beer, or did the new ad strategy affect sales? Predictive analytics focuses on the events that are expected to occur in the immediate future. Predictive analytics tries to find answers to questions like, what happened to the sales in the last hot summer season? How many weather forecasts expect this year's hot summer? Descriptive analytics indicates a plan of action. If the chance of a hot summer calculated as the average of the 5 weather models is above 50%, an evening shift can be added to the brewery and an additional tank can be rented to maximize the production.
Okay na po, sir. That's all. Thank you po.
Okay. So, as what I mentioned earlier, no, when it comes to analytics, techniques, and tools, actually, this will be an introduction of a data science. No? Again, data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines statistical analysis, no, machine learning, and computer science and IT to extract insights and knowledge from data. So it involves the collection, cleaning, and analysis of data, as well as the interpretation of visualization of results. So a while ago, no, I'll give you some data science techniques and tools, no, wherein this data collection is a process of gathering data from various sources, such as databases, no, APIs, and web scraping. No, it's essential to ensure that the data is relevant and of high quality. So, in a sense of data cleaning is a process of removing errors, no, inconsistencies, and even duplicates from the data. And this process is crucial to ensure that accuracy and reliability of the analysis. Exploratory data analysis or yung EDA na tinatawag natin is the process of summarizing and visualizing the data to gain insights and identify patterns. And this process helps in selecting the appropriate statistical models for further analysis. So machine learning or ML, no, is the process of building models that can learn from the data to make predictions or decisions. No? So it involves training the models on a subset of a data and evaluating their performance on the remaining data. On the other hand, no, data visualization is the process of representing data graphically to gain insights, no, and communicate results effectively. So it includes the use of charts, sometimes graphs and maps at the same time. For the big data tools such as Apache Hadoop and Spark, no, it is used. Apache Hadoop and Spark are used to process and analyze large data sets that cannot be handled by traditional tools. In cloud computing, no, syempre cloud computing provides access to computing resources over the internet, no. cloud-based tools, sabi ko nga kanina, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Form, and Microsoft Azure are used for data storage, processing, and analysis. No? And again, data science, no, or the analytics tools and techniques, no, become increasingly important in recent years as the amount of data, no, generated by business and individual has grown exponentially, no. So the insights, no, gained from data analysis can be used to inform decision making and improve business operation. And some of the key components of analytics tools and techniques, of course, is the data collection, no, as I mentioned. So data science is used in variety of industries, include healthcare, finance, marketing, and more. So it is a rapid evolving field that requires a combination of technical skills, domain expertise, and creativity to solve complex problems and uncover new insights. Okay, to add additional informations about data science, of course, since your program is BSIT, major in data science, data science is a combination of math and statistics, specialized programming, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning with specific subject matter expertise to uncover actionable insights hidden in organization's data. And this insight can be used to guide decision making and strategic planning. So the accelerating volume of data sources and subsequently data has made data science is one of the fastest growing field across every industry. So you're so lucky that you are presently enrolled in a specialization in data science. Now, as a result, no, it is no surprise that the role of a data scientist was dubbed, the sexiest job of the 21st century. So, and we started the 21st century, right? No? Organizations are increasingly reliant on them to interpret data and provide actionable recommendation to improve business outcomes. Because data science life cycle involves various rules, again, tools, and processes which enable analysts to glean actionable insights. Typically, a data science project undergoes some stages. So number one, it is important in data science or analytics and techniques and tools to understand the data ingestion. Okay? So data ingestion, the life cycle begins with the data collection, both raw structured and unstructured data from all relevant sources using a variety of methods. And these methods can include manual entry, web scraping, and real-time method or real-time streaming data from systems and devices. So data sources can include structured data such as customer data, along with unstructured data like example of unstructured data is log files, video, audio, pictures, and the Internet of Things, social media, and more. On the other hand, data storage and data processing, since data can have different formats and structures, companies need to consider different storage system based on the type of data that needs to be captured. So data management team helps to set standards around data storage and structure which facilitate workflows around analytics, machine learning, and deep learning models. These stages includes cleaning data, deduplicating, transforming, and combining the data using ETL. In our last semester, we discussed about the extract, transform, and load, or ETL. These ETL jobs or other data integration technologies this data preparation is essential for promoting data quality before loading into data warehouse, data lake, or other repository. So data analytics, no, data scientist, right after your graduation, looking forward that you could be able to work as a data scientist. And what will be the common task, no, of a data scientist? A data scientist actually conducts an exploratory data analysis. So take note of that. So you need to be good in programming, specifically for Python, no, or let's say, for example, statistics, no, either SPSS, Stata, and some other statistical tools or software available in the market, no. Because again, as a data scientist, you need to conduct an exploratory data analysis to examine the biases, no, patterns, no, ranges, and distribution of values within the data. And this data analytics exploration drives hypothesis generations for A and B testing. It allows analytics actually to determine the data relevance for use within modeling efforts for predictive analytics. Andyan si machine learning and or deep learning, and depending on a model's accuracy, organizations can become reliant on these insights for business decision making, allowing them to drive more scalability. So, insights, no, are presented as reports and other data visualization that make the insights and their impact on business. So easier for business analytics and other decision makers to understand, because a data science programming language such as R or Python includes components for generating visualization. Alternately, data scientists can use dedicated visualization tools, okay, to communicate with the data science. So again, data science is considered a discipline, while data scientists are the practitioners within that field. So let's say, for example, BSIT. Actually, right now we have the BS in data science now, bachelor, a direct program, no. Because right now in UDM they were using BSIT major specialized in data science, no. So data scientists are not necessarily directly responsible for all the processes involved the data science life cycle. So you need, as a data science student, you need to understand the data science life cycle. No? For example, data pipelines are typically handled by the data engineers, right? But the data scientists may make recommendations about what sort of data is useful or required. So while data scientists can build machine learning models, scaling these efforts at a larger level requires more software engineering skills to optimize a program to run more quickly. So, as a result, it's common for a data scientist to partner with machine learning engineers to scale machine learning models. So, data scientist responsibilities can commonly overlap with a data analyst, particularly with exploratory data analysis and data visualization. However, as a data scientist, no, his skill set is typically broader than the average data analyst. Comparatively speaking, data scientists leverage common programming languages such as R and Python to conduct more statistical inference and data visualization. So, to perform this task, data analysts or data scientists rather require an IT or IT education and pure science skills beyond those atypical business analysts or data analysts. No? The data scientists must also understand the specifics of the business, such as the automobile manufacturing, no, e-commerce, or healthcare. In short, data scientists must be able to, this will be the required skills for you to be a data scientist. Number one, you need to know enough about the business to ask pertinent questions and identify business pain points. No, you need to know or apply. You need to know on how to apply statistics and IT educations along with business acumen to data analysis. You need to know on how to use a wide range of tools and techniques for preparing, extracting data, everything from databases and SQL to data mining to data integration method. No, imagine that. So you need to have a good background, no, on databases, specifically with SQL, no? Extract insights, no? From big data, use predictive analytics and artificial intelligence, including machine learning models, as I mentioned, natural language and processing and deep learning. You could able to write a programs that automate data processing and calculations, no? You can tell and illustrate stories that clearly convey the meaning of results to decision makers and stakeholders at very level of technical understanding, and explain how the results can be used to solve business problems. It collaborate with the other data science team members, such as the data and business analysts, IT architects, no, and data engineers and application developer. So, therefore, these skills are in high demand, and as a result, many individuals that are breaking into a data science career explore a variety of data science programs, such as certification programs, data science courses, and degree programs offered by educational institutions. Now, some data science tools, no, that you need to understand and to study. So, data scientists rely on popular programming languages to conduct exploratory data analysis and statistical regression. So, these open source tools support pre-built statistical modeling, machine learning, and graphics capabilities, no? And this language include the following, no? Python, again, as I mentioned always, and RStudio or R programming. So, RStudio or R programming is an open source programming language and environment for developing statistical computing and graphics. On the other hand, Python is a dynamic and flexible programming languages. So the Python includes numerous libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, syempre nandiyan si Matplotlib, no, for analyzing data quickly, no? So to facilitate sharing code and other information, data scientists may use GitHub and Jupyter Notebooks. So you need to be familiar with RStudio or Python, and you need also to understand and use the GitHub and Jupyter Notebooks. Some data scientists may prefer to a user interface, and two common enterprise tools for statistical analysis. No, you need to have a research on SAS. No, SAS is a comprehensive tool suite, no, including visualization and interactive dashboard for analyzing, reporting, data mining, and predictive modeling. Another statistical tools that this will be most commonly used all over the world is the IBM SPSS, no? Because SPSS offers advanced statistical analysis, a large library of machine learning algorithms, text analysis, open source extensibility, integration with big data, and seamless deployment into application. So, data scientists also gain proficiency in using big data processing platforms such as Apache Spark, the open source framework Apache Hadoop, and NoSQL databases. No? They are also skilled with a wide range of data visualization tools, including simple graphics tools included with business presentation and spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel, built for post-commercial actually visualization tools like Tableau, no, and IBM Cognos, and open source tools like D3.js or the JavaScript library for creating interactive data visualization, and RoGraphs. No? So for building machine learning tools or learning models, data scientists frequently turn to several frameworks, no, like PyTorch, TensorFlow, MXNet, and Spark MLive. No? So given the step learning, no, curve in data science, many companies are seeking to accelerate the return on investment for artificial intelligence projects. And they often struggle to hire talent needed to realize data science projects' full potential. So to address this gap, they are turning to multi-persona data science and machine learning platform, or yung DSML platforms, giving rise to the role of citizen data scientist. No? So multi-persona DSM platforms are automation, self-service portals. So try to look into it, no, multi-persona DSML, no, and low-code, no-code user interface, so that people with little to no background in digital technology or expert data science can create business value using data science and machine learning. This platform also support expert data scientists by also offering a more technical interface. So using a multi-persona DSML platforms encourage collaboration across the enterprise. Now, so enterprises, because we talk about data in business, no? Data science use cases, no? Some enterprises can unlock numerous benefits from data science. Common use case include process optimization through intelligent automation and enhanced targeting and personalization to improve the customer experience. So, however, more specific example, no, is an international bank, no, let's say, delivers faster loan services with a mobile app using machine learning powered credit risk models and hybrid cloud computing architecture that is both powerful and secure. So the mobile application on international bank uses hybrid cloud computing. Now, so let's say for example, some electronic firms, no, an electronic firm is developing ultra-powerful 3D printed sensor to guide tomorrow's driverless vehicles. So the solution relies on data science and data analytic tools to enhance its real-time object detection capabilities. A robotic process automation or RPA solutions provider develop a cognitive business process mining solution that reduces incident handling time between 15 and to 95% for each client companies. And the solution is trained to understand the content and sentiment of customer emails, directing service teams to prioritize those that are most relevant and urgent. No? And another is a digital media technology company. So they created an audience analytics platform that enable its client to see what's engaging TV audiences as they offered a growing range of digital channels. So the solutions employs deep analytics. No? So let's say, for example, some TV station says that they are the top one. Now, this will be the percentage of audience this 5:30 p.m. or 5:30 a.m. So therefore, they were using a digital media technology. No? So the solution employs deep analytics and machine learning to gather a real-time insights into viewer behavior. So they could able to monitor yung palipat-lipat ng channel, no? And another is the Urban Police Department created the statistical incident analysis tools to help the officers understand when and where to deploy resources in order to prevent crime. And the data-driven solution creates reports and dashboards to augment situational awareness for field officers. And the last is, I don't know if you're familiar with the IBM Watson technology. They will provide or create AI-based medical assessment platform that can analyze existing medical records to categorize patients based on their risk of experiencing a stroke, and that can predict the success rate of different treatment plans. So I think that's it for an introduction of analytics, techniques, and tools, or introduction to data science.